I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel. I'm live recording. I've selected one stock, JP Morgan Chase. It is live. And I had already marked the daily TWAP level. So this is the level. If it starts breaking below, then it becomes negative. Let us check what happens. Already it was in oversold position, RSI reading. You can see RSI reading coming to 39.76. So morning volatility you can see in the first candle. It is hitting the this daily TWAP level, that is 242.01. I had already marked, tweak the VWAP, TWAP. Sorry, always it comes because we are used to that. It is a new indicator. TWAP. So let us say first candle is a bear candle. And previous and the shorter term period TWAP reading is 243. We need to see what is it. RSI is not supporting now. We cannot go long. And simultaneously, I'm recording, I'm showing you the crude oil future. Crude oil already, it had come to oversold position. It pulled back. Now it is trying to still continuing its down move. For the crude oil future, this is the guideline. 6370 was the daily average TWAP level. So I have put this. And what has happened is it has fallen below the today's opening price. It is already trading below the today's opening price. Today is Wednesday. Let us check. It is in the oversold position. Probably it may, we'll see how it will recover, how it will give buy signal. It cannot go on, go down. Let us check what has happened to this JP Morgan Chase. RSI, we are not getting any buy signal. It is down below 50. $242.81. The reading, because it takes time actually. 15 minutes I need to wait. At least let it make 1 or 2 candles, 3, 4 candles. Let me record for that so that you will get a hold of a live market trading. How we are going to analyze on the live market RSI as well as in combination with the TWAP. The price is above the daily price, daily TWAP level, but see it's showing a green candle. TWAP is increasing. TWAP reading you can see on the right side 243.17 and the price is 243.09. Okay, let us check what is happening. Yes, RSI is coming and converging here. Okay, let it close. We need to wait for the close of this candle. Then only we can come to the conclusion. See, when in between there are 8 minutes there to complete the 15-minute candle. Though it is a bullish reading, the price is above the TWAP, shorter period TWAP level, that is 242.94. We can go long, but we need to get a confirmed signal. It has to cross. TWAP has crossed the 51 level and we need to wait for the closing of the candle. So it is a bullish candle and TWAP has given a buy signal, and also longer period daily TWAP level I had marked already. This is around 242.01. keeping this stop loss, you can aggressive entry you can make. You can see simultaneously, see the bull candle. It has crossed and RSI is above 50. Reading, let us check what is the reading of the RSI. 53.27 crossed above the its moving average. Okay. See, it has not closed. That's why you need to wait, but still it is positive. This will act as a guideline. And a bull candle is formed in the market. So you can go long and it is engulfing all these three bear candles. So previous day high was here. So let us mark the previous day high and let us check what is the price action. Previous day high is around 245.38. Let us go back to the crude oil, whether it is showing any reversal. No, not yet. So evening I had posted the video combining RSI with the TWAP. That is a beautiful strategy because RSI will act as a speedometer and this is the compass. This is the map for the TWAP will give you map for the market. So you can go comfortably long here. You can see the shorter period TWAP is reading is 244.0. Neck to neck it is going, but it has in this candle it has crossed. That is a bullish candle. You can mark this. The level of TWAP is around 242.91 where it has bent. Let us check whether there will be a bull candle follow through. Still 5 minutes is there. Since it is a strong bull candle, naturally it may be a bullish. Let me hide this RSI and let us check the net volume. What has happened to the net volume? Net volume is also supporting over here. Net volume, you can see the positive volume over here. Okay, I'll hide this. Okay. And let us concentrate on the RSI. Now it is making an attempt to come closer near the RSI. It takes time actually for crude oil to recover. It takes time. Still, and the candle size is very small. No participation. Volume is not there, not much there. Let me hide this RSI. Okay. Yeah. Only two. I need to hide the RSI so that I can show the volume. Net volume is negative. You can see, and it is the peak sell volume, and net volume is decreasing. Sell volume is decreasing. So that means selling pressure is decreasing. Okay, let me hide this and let me enable the RSI. Let me come back to the JP Morgan Chase. Still 3 minutes are there. But there is manipulation at the top, high. But the TWAP is rising. And let me anchor the VWAP to know the boundary. It is exactly coming to this level, 245.43. Let us check. A dozy candle is formed. So it is not a strong candle. Anything can happen in the market. So it has to close. Still 3 minutes. See, selling pressure is coming from the top. I don't know why selling pressure is coming. Let us check. Because the price had come down from this level. Okay. That's why you need to wait for the closure of the candle. Until it closes, no signal will be there. Aggressive entry into the market will make you go into loss. No, crude oil is very, very small candles. I don't know, with volume only, net volume only they are selling. Net volume is uh, negative. Negative volume, you had seen that, I had shown you. See, RSI is moving to the oversold portion. RSI reading 38.32. That indicates weakness in the market. Let us check whether this level will hold or not, because already it has fallen below the previous today's opening price. Yeah. See the thing? Candle is closing. Still 1 minute is there. And that's why you need to wait for the candle close. You're not scalping. If you are scalping, you could have made 1 rupee or something in that bull candle. Not like this. You need not trade like this. So RSI appeared to approximate towards the moving average. See the thing. RSI has come down. It is showing weakness. And the candle is turning into bear candle. Still it has not 50 seconds are there. We need to see what sort of this wick at the top is indicating selling pressure at the top. Oh, crude oil has come down to 6383 and our level is the average price. We have taken it as a guideline 6370. Suppose if it starts moving below that and even the VWAP, standard deviation level, it coincides with this level. We need to see. Now a huge candle, big selling is coming in the market because market has opened, US market has opened. That's why volume is coming into the market. Sellers are selling actually. Volume has come into the market. We'll go to JP Morgan Chase. So it has become negative. This candle is a negative and price is below the TWAP. Do not trade in the lower time frame. You tend to do mistake. 15 minute is the ideal time frame. You may not get entry immediately, but patience always pays. Again, price has come down and price is trading below this TWAP level. This is the TWAP level. If you see, the reading is 243 and there is a selling pressure candle over there and RSI in oversold area. So indicating selling is going to continue in this candle. In this stock, JP Morgan Chase. Let me go to the heat map and let us pick one more stock. NVIDIA, yesterday it was huge oversold and made a live video on the NVIDIA I shown. Yesterday it was fallen, so it is a pullback today. 1.68%. You can see there. There are no, let me disable this heat map and let me check. Any stock is 2%. This is the only 1.68%. Let us see the JP Morgan Chase is coming down. Okay. It has become, first candle itself, it has become negative, and then previous day it was a sell-off in intraday. So it is continuing. 6389 for the crude oil. No buy signal. There is no buy signal. Don't make any hasty decision. It is bending because of this candle. The TWAP is bending. We need to, RSI has to give us confirms buy signal. We are using RSI together with the TWAP. So it has to show momentum. Then only we are going to enter into the market. So let me change it to NVIDIA and check how it is trading. See, here you can see the price has moved gap up. You can see previous day's level. It had sold so much, it is coming to the previous day intraday pullback level. Okay. RSI has crossed over, but it is still below 50. So it is not a buy signal. Let me apply JP Morgan Chase. This one? I don't know. Let me go to them because I'm not used to this. Okay, sorry. Heat map, where did it go? It's here. JPM, this one. Yeah, JPMC. JPMC. This one? Yeah. No, not this. I don't know the symbol. I missed it. My God. JP Morgan Chase. JP. Okay. This one. Yeah. You can see clearly. Yeah. I'm right here. So after the closure of the candle, you came to know that it is going, and TWAP is also suggesting price is below the TWAP, and RSI did not support. Though it appeared it is going to go up, it was a false thing. So what is the strategy? You need to wait for the closure of the candle. Patience always pays. So you could have taken after seeing this closing of the candle, bear candle, and selling pressure, selling wick on this, you could have gone short in this JP Morgan Chase. Crude oil, I'm coming back to the crude oil. This was the average price level. Some sort of bull candle is formed, but RSI still is not supporting. But some sort of reversal is seen. We need to check because we need to wait for the closure of the candle. Still 8 minutes are there. One should never hurry. Before closing of the candle, you should never do trade. See over here. It is the continuation of the bear candle. And also, these are the guidelines, TWAP guidelines, shorter period as well as the longer period acted as a guideline. It is a break below this TWAP, daily TWAP level, so indicating bearishness. You could have taken a sell call in this stock, keeping this as the stop loss. This is the, if I place the cursor, you are getting a reading over there, 243.04. 243.04 as stop loss. You can keep the, go for selling this stock. Don't get panicked by move. It is a confirmed down move below the daily TWAP level. And also RSI, you can see on yourself, RSI is becoming oversold. Okay. Already 2 15 minutes candle are over. Let us go and check the crude oil. Crude oil, still we cannot rely on this because price action is not supporting. Even though it is a bull candle, if I place the cursor, it is making a lower highs. There is no change in the sentiment. In this candle, if it would have made a big bull candle, above, if it would have made an high higher than the previous high candles, lower highs, then we could have considered it as a reversal. RSI is not also giving any signal. So this, by seeing this green candle, you are not going to enter into the reversal trade. Okay, let me go back to the JP Morgan Chase. So beautifully, you can get an early entry with the TWAP in combination with the RSI. I'm making an effort to show you people in the live market so that you can take proper decisions and how you can prepare your trade beforehand itself with the help of TWAP. Okay. So I'll continue this video for another 15 minutes so that you can understand how you can take the trade. This is my effort for you people to show the trade in combination with the RSI. RSI is oversold. It doesn't mean that we need to immediately go. RSI has to give buy signal. It has to turn around and it has to come up. Let me disable this RSI and let me check what has happened to the net volume. Net volume is negative. You can see over here, net volume is, selling pressure is more in this candle. So sell signal has come in this. I had already mentioned in my previous video about this indicator, net volume of positive and negative volume, and I had made a strategy for that. So you can go through that. It is in my playlist. Go through and practice, actually understand the strategy. Okay. Let me enable RSI. You can do like this. You can enable and disable and you can cross check for your trade. So you have entered early. You need not worry. You can trail your, you can trail your stop loss. Suppose if you would have kept here, you can trail your stop loss little bit lower so that you will not be, even in case if it snaps back. It is not going to snap back so soon because RSI, there is no strength. So you need not worry. You need not go become panic. Actually, there is manipulation going on in this candle. If I go to the 5 minutes time frame, it will be a green candle forming there. So you will make a wrong decision over here by seeing this candle. This is not a buy candle. Okay. Let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame and be in that time frame itself. Crude oil now, even though it is a bull candle, it has not closed still 3 minutes are there. It is not making a, now it is showing a bullishness, but there is no change in the character. Change in character means it has to show shift in the market. That means it has to make an higher high. Even if it wicks above, it will, but overhead resistance is there. Long term, I had already marked 6424. That will act as resistance for you. That is a guideline for that. Let me put a horizontal line over this. This is the immediate resistance guidance. Intraday pushes will be there like this. So intraday there was a push and it continued down. And RSI is not showing any strength, and you should not consider this candle, green candle, and immediately jump into the trade. Okay. See the in between manipulation. If I go to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see the candle that was a green candle. You would have done mistake if you would have been in the 5 minute. See, it becomes red and it becomes green. So you should not get carried over by this because it has gone down and it is trading below the TWAP. And this level, the immediate TWAP level is 241.93. It will act as resistance. Let us check crude oil. Crude oil, still 1 minute is there for the closure of the candle. Even if it gives a follow-through candle and it is a breakdown of the structure, you can see it is a breakdown of the today's opening price. It has already entered into the previous day price level. So it is not a, it is a weak structure. So you need to be in the trade of, in the direction of the morning, this trade. Down move is there. Down move is, this is an intermittent pullback, in between pullback. So you should not change your bias. I'm not going to go long in this, but I'm showing you how the oversold area can, only if it starts moving above this hurdle 6424 and a bull candle is formed, and crude oil can make an attempt to go move higher to reach this level. Till that time, see, RSI has turned down. You can see RSI turning down, right? So it is not a, no, if you see, if I place the cursor on this candle, the high made on that candle is 6408 and high made on the previous candle was 6409. That is not a reversal candle. This is not a reversal candle. TWAP is suggesting a bent, but it is, even though price is above the TWAP, this is not confirmation. I am using it with the combination of RSI. RSI also should give me buy signal. Then only you can enter into the market. Okay. Let me come back to the this JP Morgan Chase. Now, second 15-minute candle and the third 15-minute candle, we are seeing some sort of a green candle. Still, it is not a buy because it has broken below this. It may make an attempt to hit this level. From there, it may try to come down. So it's not a green candle, is not a buy signal. And also, price is below the TWAP, shorter period TWAP reading 241.57 and the price is 241.47. When you are in the trade, you are in short trade, you should not get panicked by seeing the green candle because your entry is early. So you have to trail your stop loss to this candle opening price. Then you will be safe. You will not be losing money even in case. We cannot predict what will happen in the market. Sometimes manipulation will be there and the candle may start moving higher, right? Now, this is then higher high made in this candle. And there is RSI crossover. So for a small trade, keeping to this, you can scalp up to this. It appears as if a strong bull candle has come into the market. This is not a reversal. RSI is not showing any buy signal because it is in the oversold territory and below its moving average. It has to cross. Then only there will be strength in the market. I don't trust this. I think this must be enough for you people as a guideline how to take the trade. Once it crosses over, suppose if it is in the oversold area, you can see the structure of the RSI making a staircase pattern. So if the RSI starts after climbing above that and it came down and it made a staircase pattern and this was a continuation. You could have been in this trade because it is clockwise trade. This is an anti-clockwise an attempt for going up. Price had come down to previous day's low. That's why strong reaction is seen from this level. This is previous day low. Usually market will, any instrument will try to react from that level. Yes. There is a buy signal, crossover RSI, but RSI reading is still below 50. It is not a strong, this one. It is an intraday. After this short move, it is intraday up move, pull back. For that, what you need to do is you can take FIB tool, apply from here to the low of this candle, and if it is not showing any strength, see, the resistance is placed around 6424. If it is not able to cross the 0.5 FIB ratio and it gets rejected from 0.618, this 6424 is placed around 0.618 FIB ratio, then it is a confirmation. It may continue still down. It may come down. This is not a valid reversal. So you need to discriminate between valid trend trade to the pullback trade. Because why I'm telling is the market is making continuously, it is a down move and it is a lower high. And again, it is making an attempt one more pullback to go for selling. That's what I'm feeling because it has already broken the structure of the daily structure. This is the morning structure. It has come down. See, you can see the rejection of the candle, selling pressure on the candle, but it has not closed we cannot come to the conclusion of this. Sometimes it may pop up also. Like this, they will pop up. So that's why you need to be always, but you can see by the reaction of this candle, sellers are pushing the price downwards. There will be tug of war between this. In this candle, you can see sellers are dominating. RSI is not showing, it is turning down. Okay. Let us check what has happened to JP Morgan Chase. Let me do this video for another 15 minutes and I'll close it. I hope this will help you for your trade, make you people to trade easily, make wise decision. It is my effort to do this video on live market. Indian market, I can do that, but I need to watch the market, isn't it? You practice on this US market, live market, so that the all markets are the same thing. Whether it is an Indian stock market or an US stock market, price action is same and RSI is same. Everything is same. The concept is same. So you need not worry. So you can relate, you can practice in this live market and you can apply in our market. For that, you need to prepare yourself. You need to be prepared for the trade for the next day. I showed you how to prepare. You need to mark the daily TWAP level and use it as a guideline, and also mark where the RSI is there. I'd shown it on the in the evening video, RSI video, in the Nifty, how you can mark what is the position of the RSI and all those things. You should mark as well as note down on the chart so that it will guide you. Master only in one thing, one index or one stock for continuously for 1 month, so that you will become expertise. Okay, friends, see the rejection candle you are seeing. I cannot wait till already still 5 minutes are there. As anticipated, it was a just pullback. This is not a reversal. I think it is still crude oil is going to go down. Okay, now I'm going to end my video. Hope this will help you as your guideline. I'll come up with this type of videos so that different presentation will be there on the RSI, because intraday trade is not an independent trade. It is continuation from the previous day price action. For that, actually, RSI position, RSI reading will be different and the price will be different. So we will explore that. Tomorrow also in the evening, I'll try to make the video. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Narnakshi Swami signing off. Please kindly support and subscribe to my channel.